morning and happy Monday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries back with another Mug Cooking Mondays video. So if you haven't yet, you can pick up a mug and a paint pen at the library. We only have a few kits left, so come by soon. And inside that kit, there's directions on how to paint and bake your mug with a beautiful design that you will use for this series this summer. So today, we are going to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie. So the ingredients you'll need, they are butter, which I already have in my cup here, granulated sugar, brown sugar, flour, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, and an egg. So we will go ahead and get started. So first, you're going to put a tablespoon of butter in your mug and microwave it for 30 seconds to melt it. So I have already done that step here. All right, next, you are going to mix in the sugars. So you will need a tablespoon. You need 1 tablespoon each of the brown sugar and the granulated sugar. You might want to have a tablecloth down. This will probably get messy. Or you can just wipe it down when you're finished. So there was the granulated sugar. With the brown sugar, it always says to firmly pack that in your tablespoon. So there's my firmly packed brown sugar. Put that in my mug. Next comes the vanilla extract. So we just need half a teaspoon. So grab your half teaspoon measuring spoon of your vanilla extract. That overflowed a little, so won't pour everything in the spoon in there. And depending on what kind of butter you used, if you used unsalted butter, you might want to put a little sprinkle of salt in there, but I use salted butter, so I'm not going to add salt to mine. And you're going to stir it up with the sugars, the butter, and the vanilla extract. So that'll be your first stir. All right, now you're going to mix in an egg yolk. So let's see if I can do this on camera without making a huge mess and getting egg all over myself. So I'm gonna crack the egg, and you can let the white of the egg drip into a trash can. You don't need that part. All right, see if we can get the yolk in there without any eggshell. A napkin would be a nice thing to have while you're doing this, but we'll be okay. All right, so I'm gonna mix the egg in there. All right, now we need flour. So we need 3 tablespoons of flour. So you just need 2 measuring spoons for this one. A tablespoon and then the half teaspoon. All right, so 1 tablespoon of flour. Napkin! Thank you. Yes, keep some napkins on hand. 2 tablespoons of flour. And my 3rd tablespoon of flour. All right. Then you're going to stir that. We have almost all of our ingredients. We're only missing the most important, the chocolate chips. So this recipe I am using calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. And I bet you can guess what I'm going to pick. That's right, the maximum amount, 2 tablespoons. And those, when you put them in your cup, oops, yeah, that's probably 2 tablespoons. But it doesn't have to be an exact science with chocolate chips. So you don't have to really stir them in, you just kind of fold them into the batter, and then we're ready to microwave it. So we're going to microwave it for 40 to 50 seconds, and then it will be finished, and I will share a photo of my finished chocolate chip cookie, and I hope you will too. You can send it to the email address here on the screen.